So we start off today's video with this pixie hair transformation. Now this is definitely a lot of hair that she's cutting here. Oh, wow. She looks absolutely beautiful, rocking out the short pixie style. And then we move into another hair transformation. Looks like she's getting a cut and color for this hair change. And she gets a nice, simple, chic, shoulder length bob style. Love the color range on that. So pretty. And then we see someone with long hair and she chops it off into this shaggy bob haircut. I love the amount of volume that she got with the layers. Very cute. So here we have someone, now she already has some short hair. She's at the salon for a cut refresh. She gets this beautiful pixie. Whoa, oh wow. I love this bob haircut that she got here with the orange copper color. Wow, absolutely stunning makeover. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair just past her shoulders, around mid-length or so. Looks like the stylist is cutting the hair into a shoulder length bob. Nice, simple, and chic. I actually think that she would look really cute with a pixie, maybe a pixie with bangs. But the lob is nice as well. So here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. And the stylist does a nice bob haircut here. got the bottleneck bangs going there in the front, adding a nice little layer touch to the look. Very nice. And we're seeing tons of bobs with bangs this season. Oh, so we have someone with this really pretty purple colored hair. And she mixes it up with this peach and pink combo. Very cool. So here we have someone, wow, she has got some really long hair. Now she has a lot of damage here at the ends. The stylist cuts off that color. Cuts in some layers. She gets a nice layered haircut here. Very cute. And her hair looks so much healthier. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.